Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best tasting and juiciest turkey you've ever had. So let's get started. Alright friends, so the first thing we are going to do is we're going to make a brine to soak our turkey in. You want to soak your turkey in a brine for at least 8 hours up to 24 hours. So first off, I've got 4 quarts of boiling water. I'm going to add 1 cup of kosher salt, 1 cup of brown sugar, 5 garlic cloves, 3 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 3 lemons, and 3 oranges. For this, I'm going to use cuties, so I'm using 4 cuties. You're going to cut these in half to get your juices rolling. Go ahead and roll this. Cut your lemons in half and squeeze your juice in there. And then drop the lemons in. Same thing with your oranges. All right, now go ahead and give your mixture a stir. You want to make sure your salt and your sugar has completely dissolved. Now you're going to let this sit here and cool, and then we're going to get started on our next step. All right, friends, so the next step that we are going to do, now that our brine is completely cooled down, we're going to pour it into a big stock pot, and we're going to put our turkey inside with a bunch of ice. So let's do that right now. You want to make sure that your turkey is completely covered with brine. If you need to add more ice, go ahead and do that. Place your lid on top and keep putting ice throughout the evening. You want to make sure that this stays really cold, and that way you don't have any problems with your turkey becoming too warm. I'm going to go ahead and stick this on my stove, and I'm going to just keep adding ice to it to keep it cool throughout the night. I'll see y'all back in the morning. All right, friends, so our turkey has soaked overnight in its brine, and now we're gonna go ahead and get it ready for the oven. Simple thing is just salt and pepper. I'm gonna put on top, inside the cavity as well, and then we're gonna go ahead and put some foil over it and pop it in the oven. 325 in the oven, and it's gonna be 15 minutes per pound of your turkey. The only difference is I am not putting my turkey breast up, I am putting my turkey breast down. That way all the juices will accumulate in the breast, which tends to be the driest part of a turkey. This way it will be a juicy and tender breast. Your legs and your wings will still be just as juicy because that is a more muscular part of the turkey. That will still be plenty juicy. So let's go ahead and salt and pepper our whole turkey, the inside, all around it, and then we'll pop it in the oven at 325. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. In about 2 hours, I'm gonna come through and I'm gonna remove the foil, and I'm gonna insert a thermometer that will tell me exactly when my turkey is done cooking. So let's go ahead and put this in the oven, 325. All right, friends, so I just pulled our turkey out of the oven, and look at how great it looks. It browned nicely on the top. Look at all these juices, and this turkey is gonna be so juicy on the inside. We're gonna sit it here for about 30 minutes to let it cool and let the juices reabsorb back into the turkey, and then we'll come back for our cut. All right, friends, so our turkey is all done. It has been resting, and the juices were reabsorbed back into the turkey. Plus, I have lots of juices that I can go ahead and make some great gravy with. So now all we're gonna do is turn our turkey over, breast side, and then we'll cut into this so you can see how juicy it is. All right, friends, so here is our turkey, and it is just loaded with juices, and it just falls apart. Absolutely falls apart. This is really good turkey. You definitely got to give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.